How to use Life360 to find a lost member. So if you're having issues finding the members inside of Life360 and you're having issues finding their location, the first thing that you can do is check the real-time location. So make sure you open up the Life360 application and look at the main map that is visible. You'll be able to see their avatars floating around. You can simply tap on the avatars being displayed, and you can simply tap on the member that you're trying to find the location of. By using this exact section, you can see their exact location, battery life, as well as if they are currently driving. So using this first feature, you'd be able to find the members. If not, what you can also do is scroll down from this section and you can check their location history. If you have the paid plan of Life360, you'd be able to again scroll down further and then review their movements. Now, if none of these are helping out, then what you can also ensure is that you enable the bubble drop. So you'll be able to see the option called create a bubble on the left hand side. You can simply enable this. This lets you find each other, and you can use this help a family member center so that you can create a temporary bubble around a missing person. So by following these few steps, you'll be able to use the Life360 to find a lost family member. If this kind of video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.